Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I don't know how much time I'm going to have before the family starts yelling for me because puppy is awake and on weekends he's my job. And that's going to be more so because in the morning he'll be my job during the week, and then he will be my job all afternoon. During the week. So anyway, it's a little bit frustrating. So I'm going to go very quickly through this stuff so that we can get through this and I can update everything. So first thing that I finished is this Algenist. Let me put my hand behind it, maybe that'll help. The Algenist Purifying and Replenishing Cleanser. Honestly, it was nice, but it was not something to write home about. This was a big whipping bottle that I really worked hard to finish, and I just have to be done with it, and that's it. And it's over and done, and I'll never buy it because it's not cruelty-free. So, the next thing that I finished is this Elizabeth Arden Normal to Dry Skin Hydro Splash alcohol-free toner. I have another one now, the last one, in my cabinet. It's just a nice, simple, non-drying, alcohol-free toner, and I really like it. But it's not really any better than any of the other drugstore brands that are cruelty-free. I do love Elizabeth Arden, but unfortunately I can't buy this because it's not cruelty-free. So anyway, there it goes. I'm on my last one. I did finish the Purlisse cream. It's a gel cream. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on it. It's Purlisse, Believe Your Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Now this was a gel cream. You can see a little bit of it still in the corners of the jar. I ended up not liking this for my face and using it instead on my body. So I did finish this pretty quickly, and I'm happy to see this gone. Honestly, I used to love Purlisse products, but as I'm using the little containers of it, I'm finding that, yeah, it's not that special. They started selling in China, so I'm just as happy to not be using this. Okay, I also finished this Badescu Seaweed Cleansing Lotion. I apologize if my images are not great, but I'm trying really hard. So anyway, this Badescu Seaweed Cleansing Lotion was nice, but not, and it was non-drying. It was a toner, but I honestly didn't like the smell of it and would never use this again. Okay, that's the end of the things that I have finished. I'll be marking things with a marker, but I'm going to introduce you to, oh wait, no, I have one more. I did finish this Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion as well. Yeah, I was really happy to see that go. And so I have a few of these, so you guys are going to see this a few times in my skincare. However, I am using this one, this Dr. Brandt Age Defying Exfoliator. It's hard for me to tell when I'm getting to the end, so it's just something that's gonna just take time. You know, I could weigh it with a scale or something, but no, I'm not gonna do that. This is very nice, and I'll be using this up before I bring another one of these in. So this is gonna be continue to be next. Okay, I only used a tiny bit of this skin perfecting lotion. I should have used more. You can see that I put a mark there. Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion is really good with the Badescu Herbal Hydrating Serum. I mix the two together and it makes it okay for winter. there's hardly any, you can't really see anything on that one, but on this, this is more of my summer type moisturizer, much lighter than the other moisturizers I have for winter. Okay, and this, I should have waited or something, I can't tell. I know I've been using it, I just can't tell how far along I am. It's not easy. All right, so visually, oh, and I didn't do any of these masks. So yeah, I have to get away from the puppy long enough to do masking. Okay, so this is the Strivectin Tightening Sculpting Face Cream, which is my favorite face cream ever. And you can see, maybe if you remember the last shot, that this is much lower than it was. If I put my finger in there, I'm sure I could feel the bottom of the jar. I really like this, but it's $95, so I won't be buying it. Next is the Strivectin Neck Cream, and it's definitely lower, but it's like a gel. Wherever you have taken a fingerful of it out, I did this morning and it already filled in the gap, so this is down a little less than a third, so I think that this will be gone pretty soon. This is the eye cream that I put in, and it's very nice. It's Badescu, and it is Hyaluronic Eye Cream. And I did use quite a bit. It's hard. Let me see if I can show it a little closer. It's very hard to see. This is lasting me forever, and it's hard to see the progress, but I'm working on that pretty hard. Now, I did not use this Micellar Water. I don't think. Nope, my last mark is still there. I've been using the e.l.f. cleanser. It's in another project, so as soon as that's done, I'll be using that more often. This was also in the project, and I didn't mark it yet, but it's down to about here. So, yeah, I'm doing pretty well on that. Okay, the rest of the stuff was not in the project before. Now, I've been using the Strivectin Serums again, and one of them made me break out, and then I had to stop because I wasn't sure if it was that. And so, you know, I'm finished now with week 1, and I am sweeping this Aven Retinol, Retrinol. It's a little stronger than regular retinol, but I have used this, but not often, so it's pretty full. And this is, again, one of those things that you can't see through. It doesn't have a bottom that goes up, so it's going to be really hard for me to figure out how much I have left as I get closer to the end. But I think I need this because I was breaking out. I could bring in my regular tretinoin, but I think I should use this up first. I got this in a subscription box, and so I want to use that before it expires. This also came in a subscription box. It's from Dermstore. It's Lip Quench. It's very nice, and I think I have used about 2 here. So it's very nice, and I will start using that every morning after I wash my face. Next thing is this Shea Butter. I did throw a couple body things in here. So Shea Body Butter and Marula and Jasmine. It smells wonderful. Like, oh my God, you just want to marry this stuff. So anyway, you can see that I only used it a couple times. This is definitely body care, so I need to use this up because I've had it for a while and I don't want it to go bad. So this will be also used up. I bought this Ultra Repair Cream a while ago when I was having a huge flare of my eczema. It didn't help, but it is very moisturizing. So I have used some of it. Obviously, it's down from the top where it was. And so I'm going to use this up also, but it's mostly going to be on my body. I've had this open for a little while. This is Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I absolutely love this. I have not been using it because I've been concentrating on using my Strivectin, but you can see that it is down quite a bit. This is one of my absolute favorite creams. So I am going to start using this and use it up before the expiration date hits. Okay, next, I got this set a while ago and I used it and enjoyed it, but you know, not totally. I didn't commit myself to it, but I'm going to commit myself to it now. The face wash is very nice. I'll mark everything with a Sharpie when I get done. But this is very strong. This has glycolic acid in it, and I was shying away from it. It's vitamin A and glycolic acid, but I think it's time to start to get some of those actives back into my skincare. And this Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream, this I used on my face, but it's better as a body cream. So you can see how far along that is. Not very far. So this, I'll try it again on my face, and if I still feel like it's more of a body cream, then I'll move it to body care. But I think it's important to get a glycolic back into my skincare. Next is this Tizo Age-Defying Fusion, it says, SPF 40 Facial Mineral Sunscreen. I love the way this feels. It just feels, has this texture that's like awesome, and I really want to buy it again, but I want to use that up first. Next is a cream that is a body cream. I've been using it on my feet ever since the doctor gave me this cream that kind of melts your calluses off your feet. I've been using this strictly on my feet, ankles, and legs, and it's really, really moisturizing. You can see I'm about, I guess, a third done. I do want to finish this because the expiration date is approaching. I did get this for free when I used to be a member of the Vine community on Amazon, and then they cut out a whole bunch of people, and I was one of the ones that they cut out. And it didn't seem to matter whether you're a high producer, high reviewer, or anything special. But anyway, I did get this cream, and I did do a Amazon thing on it, and I'll do an update on Amazon also when this is done. That is awesome stuff. Very quickly, I had this Nantucket body lotion in a project before. It is about, I guess, a third done. These things do go off, so I want to finish this as part of this project. This body oil is from Balance Guru. There's not a lot left in it, but what I do is I mix it with my body lotions, and it makes them that much more enjoyable to use. Now, these were gifted to me by the brand. I have not been using them because I really don't like the way this smells. But I just thought to myself, I need to give these guys, oh gosh, I need to give these guys their due. It's by, let's see, where did I put the paperwork? It's by a company called Indulge in Life, and it has CBD oil in it. It smells, I don't like the scent, and I did write to them and told them I didn't like the scent, and they were like, oh, well, maybe next time you can try something that's not that scent. Well, you can see it was full, like almost to the top, and I did use a little bit of it, but I do need to work on this stuff and give these people who were kind enough to send me the product they're due. So I'll be using that. Ooh, I'll just use it on my legs. Now this oil I haven't used because I don't know how to use it. So anybody out there who knows how to add CBD in your body care, there are directions, but you know, I'll have to get a magnifying glass out to read them. This came in a beautiful box. I'll insert a picture here. This came in a beautiful box, and it's been languishing on my dresser because I've been kind of like, I don't know. So I might use this on my body. I'm not sure. I'll use it on my face. Probably not, unless somebody out there has an idea. But anyway, I do have to use this stuff, and I'll see if I can find it on the internet and put a link down below. This I did receive for free from the brand. So these are two things that I did receive for free from the brand to test. This is not a paid review, so don't worry about that. And that's it. I added a lot of stuff to my skincare project pan, and I hope you enjoy this series. I finished quite a few things, but I added quite a bit also. So thank you for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I'll keep you updated on my progress. Thanks, and have a beautiful day. I should say, have a beautiful evening. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Honestly, guys, when you thumbs up a video from anyone that you love on the internet, it makes the video that much more available to anyone who would like to watch a decent video. So anyway, thank you very much, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.